Okay, guys, so I'm recording this video because I received some messages about where to find the final exam review on Alex. So again, this is a student homepage, okay? And I can start my path, but if you will click right here, okay, and you will go to assignments, you're going to see final exam review unit 1 and 3. They are go together because both of them talking about solving equations. So at this moment you guys can handle 1 and 3 together. You have final exam review unit 2. Unit 2, it's mostly about functions and relation. And final exam review unit 4. So I'm not grading this. This is for you to practice. You have unlimited amount of attempts, okay, and this review will be open and available for you guys until I just need to change the time 4:29. You guys taking that test on Wednesday, but again, if you won't review that by 11 a.m., I think it's it's not even. I can change the time up to midnight. Your test is on Wednesday, okay? So you want to check that review before Wednesday, and many questions for you to practice. You can skip them since the grade it's not going to the grading book. So let's say you see something like this, okay, I know what to do. You can just practice one example, okay? Because like you see, the first three problems, they technically giving you very similar equations. And again, 25, question 25. Okay, you have to solve inequality. First of all, why I think it's very beneficial for you to review that, and especially on Alex. Because you're taking your exam on Alex, you want to be super quick and know exactly how Alex will accept the solution, how you have to type in. So you can always check your answer. So that's another good thing. You can save it for later. So I'm not expecting that you will finish all the review in one day, especially unit 1 and 3, which has 60 questions. Okay. Unit 4, again, you can go to assignments. Unit 4 was the last thing which you guys learned, which is we just took the test 2 days ago. So you have 36 questions. You can start it and just test yourself. Okay. You just again, identify the restricted value. We talk about it. You make your denominator equal 0 and you solve for z. So those questions for review, final exam, I'm not going to record the video and solve them for you guys. Since you already had test and the review, this time it's on Alex. So you can check your answer and you can use the Alex tools to find similar example. However, again, I'm here for you, okay? Everybody learns different way. Let's say you have a question like this. You try 2 times, you have no idea what is the answer. Okay, you try and it's just not correct. And Alex's explanation doesn't help you. You can always take a picture of this question, send it to me, and I can record a video and send it back to you. Or we can set up, if you're available, Zoom meeting, one by one, individual Zoom meeting. And you can just list the question which you are struggle with, and I can share my screen and just explain it to you, okay? Like I will do that during the office hours. So for the final exam, since it's a lot of material, you guys have it, review problems, so you have material to study from. Again, I'm available to talk to you guys and set up individual one by one consultation, or if you just want to show me your work, okay, you're solving on a problem, for some reason it's not correct, take a picture, okay, send it to me, I will just open it, and if I find a mistake, I will explain to you what is the mistake and I show the correct way to solve it. So I still want to have that communication with you, okay? because if you don't understand something from the review and you won't find the solution before the exam, okay, so what's going to happen if you have exactly the same question on the exam? Okay, so let's just fix the issue. Let's just fix the problem with studying the material before the test. So that's about the final exam. Plenty of questions to review. It doesn't go to the grading book. However, you guys, again, I still waiting for that final exam, and then I going to check one by one if all the grades in the Canvas matching with what you have on Alex. Again, I see how much time you're spending on Alex, and I see exactly what grades you're getting from Alex. I have access to that. However, this is you. That's from your side. So if we're talking about the homework, Gradebook from Alex is better place to check your homework than Canvas at this moment because it's still not really organized yet. But let's say I'm a student and I'm checking. Okay, right now my Alex grade shows that I'm failing the class. It's 38. Okay, I really did very poorly on this assignment and this assignment and this assignment. Okay, so there are two options which I can suggest and I can offer to you. Either I can reopen the assignment for you and you can just do it for a better grade. That will be one. I'm okay with doing that. Or, which I think will be better, I recommended that you guys will complete one of the final review. Okay, I mean you want to complete all of them, but let's say okay, I just complete final exam review unit 2 and you got 100%. Can you please replace this homework which you got 6% with my final exam review unit 2 grade? Yes, I will be more than happy to do it. Okay, I have a proof that you guys did work. I will know exactly how much time you spend on it. I will see exactly what you get. And hey, why not? Okay, you got 90 here. I'm going to replace that 6% with 90. However, again, I'm not going to check that individually. You guys need to be on top of your grades. Okay, if there is something what you still want to fix about your homework grade, let me know. Send me a message and I have really no issue, but it has to be done before our exam. I really have no issue to reopen the assignment for you if you want to retake it, or instead of just taking old homework, I just recommended, hey, just complete that final exam review. Okay, tell me that you complete. I will be able to check your grade, or just send me a picture with what you end up from that review, and I will replace your low test grade from one of the homework. Why not? Okay, I really want to help you. Another thing about the final exam. So you will take that exam on Alex. Your exam is on Wednesday. You're going to take it that exam whenever you are ready. So the exam will be open from 6 a.m. until 11:59 p.m. Okay. Login. You don't need to download anything. Everything is going to set up for you. You won't have to enter any password. You just have to log in and just finish the assignment in one shot, which means you cannot stop your work and then come back and continue. It's not going to happen. You just have to take it like you will be taking a class. I will give you 2 hours because it's going to be long exam with a lot of material, or maybe even more. Okay, I'm still working on and checking how many questions I want to put up there. It's on Alex. You can use your notes. However, you should not use any other resources from website. And it's only one attempt this time. Okay, that's why I recommended to take that exam when you guys ready. And this is perfect practice for you right here. Okay, that's what's coming next. And like you see, this is the close because you already took that. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, I'm going to post that video for you. I'm going to record it this time as a YouTube video, so there's no issue to open. because with Zoom, many of you were not able to watch the recording. So I'm recording that using YouTube, and hopefully you guys will have a wonderful weekend. You're almost there. Study for the final exam, and I hope you all finish strong this semester. So again, thank you so much for taking the class.